Get into a car with value. 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, backup camera, satellite radio, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, running boards, side steps, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.